Hi there, you're in love with your mate JJ. Today is mail call. Today is mail call, and not only mail call, but today is also channel news. I got some news, not big news, but a few things to tell you. I should remember or tell you while I remember. My silly job title for today is Electricity Guardian. Today I'm the Electricity Guardian. Now, two things I wanted to tell you. First of all, there's just going to be a couple of mail call videos coming out. I got some stuff arrive in the mail. I just want to get that processed. So that's going to be today is a mail call, and then Thursday a mail call. And then hopefully on Saturday, the first installment of Learning the Art of Electronics. I'm still busy working on the notes for that. Particularly, I'm working through the electricity and magnetism book. I'm still in the process of writing up the notes for that. It turned out to be a massive job, the notes. All sorts of things were required, including scanning. So doing the scanning for the figures and the image processing for that, that was a bit of a trick. And getting the table of contents and the structure of it all ready to go. That was a bit of a job as well, but that's done now. So I'm actually in the process of writing up the notes from the chapters that I've listed as the pre-reading for the first video. So those notes aren't yet complete. I'll get them complete as quickly as I can, and then I'll try and keep it ahead of them month on month, so that people who subscribe to the ITL wiki can read the notes as they become available as we go through the chapters of Learning the Art of Electronics. And of course, the other little thing to tell you is I've rejigged the camera over here on the bench cam, and instead of having this big honking rectangular thing, we've got this neat little sort of like circular thing. You'll see what I mean in this video. So yeah, of course, today's video you'll see the new thing. The video on Thursday you won't, because I already recorded that video. So the time is a little bit multi-dimensional around here at the moment. I think that's everything to tell you. Today is a quick mail call. We're going to jump over to the bench together and pop a few things out of the bag. Once that's done, we'll wrap up, and then there'll be another mail call on Thursday, and then we'll see on Saturday. Actually, you know, I might even push the thing further back, because I've got the part 2 of the clock radio that I've been unboxing. I'm ready to go with that now, because the stuff that I unboxed today will enable me to continue with that project. I've got the stuff I need for creating the power supply, which is something that I wanted to do. Anyway, let's pop over to the bench and see what's arrived in the mail. All right. Well, here we are on the bench, and check me out. There I am, up there in the corner in a little circle. So that actually, you can still see me, which is cool. And there's more of the bench. You can actually see this area, which of course didn't used to be visible, because the thing used to come all the way out here. So I think that this is an improvement. If you agree, I'd be happy to hear from you. I have to say, if you disagree, I'd also be happy to hear from you. What do you think of the new little camera innovation up here in the back? I have to say I'm pretty happy with it. Now, the first thing we're going to do here is these. Now, today's haul was an order that I put in at AliExpress, because I'm working on some high energy, like just mains power stuff. I've got a transformer that I want to plug into the wall power as part of that alarm clock project that I'm doing. I've already done part 1 of that on the channel. There will be a part 2, and that's why I bought this these bits and pieces that we're going to be seeing now. But I got heaps of them. These are little project boxes. Just I'll pop one out and I'll tell you about it. And then what we'll do is a time lapse, because I've got a bunch of them, and they're all pretty much the same. We'll have a look at them all in the end. So it looks like they don't come with screws, no screws. Okay. And that's what they look like. Do you see? Just little project boxes. I got a bunch of them. Hopefully, they're large enough. I tried to get as small as I could. Yeah, we've got a bunch of these boxes. We'll have a little stash. I'm going to be cutting out the stickers for my scrapbook. So let's do that together now, just quickly. All right. So we got 3 lots of 3. There we got this one. Looks like this. Let me see. So I got 3 of those, and then this one. This one has a little outlet on the ends, which is good. Is it going to pop open? It looks like it clips together. That's interesting. How are we going to pull this apart? I don't know. Doesn't seem to want to pull apart. Interesting. So I think this clips together. There are no screws for this. Very interesting. So I'm not sure how we get it off. I don't know. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Cool. So these ones don't have screws. They've just got little friction bits on the long edges, and they clip together. That's cool. Happy with that. And then this is the third type. It's got little sort of joints on the side for plugging it against a wall or anything else, I guess. Will it open? I'm not sure. I'm not sure how you get into this one. I think looks like you push that out. I'm not sure. Oh, there's a little hole for it there. Let's do that together in quick. All right, well, that was easier than I thought it was going to be. So basically, yeah, this just hangs in there. Just hangs in there. Okay. And you want to get it out, you just pop a little screwdriver in that bit, and out it comes. Cool. Now, in addition to this 3 lot of 3, I actually got an extra lot of 3. So those are these. We'll do that together quickly. We'll pop them out. All right, well, isn't that interesting? So those extra 3 were actually just an extra 1 of each type. So in the end, we've got 4 different types, 4 different lots of 3 different types. So those are all those up the back there. I don't know if they'll fit in a box. Maybe they will. Looks like maybe they will. Yeah, they'll fit. So a box full of boxes. Oh, that fell apart. A box full of boxes. Now I'm going to time lapse the scrapbooking, so let's do that quickly. All right, so there's our little insert for the scrapbook. I'll put that away, and then we'll keep on. All right, well, on we go. Now I might show you first. I got a couple of adapters. Let's see if I can find all those. Yes. All right, well, let's do these first. So they're just angle brackets for the old power adapter. I'm not sure actually what you call these figure 8 adapters. That's the female looking side, and that's the male looking side. And I've got actually power coming on the bench up the back here through one of those. So I got this so that I could adapt it if that's what I wanted to do. So they're just 90-degree angle things. I got 3 of them. They will just go in the power power adapters drawer. so that I have them on hand if that turns out to be something that I want to use. So I'll just, I'll take this out, we'll time lapse it. All right, so there we go. I've got 3 of these little babies. I'll put them away and then we'll keep on keeping on. All right, up next, I got some switches and such. I'm not sure what's in this one. What have we got? Okay, little rocker switches, great. Now we'll cut out the thing. Actually, I'll pull all of this out and we'll have a look at it once it's out. All right, so we got a lot of 5 here. These are 30 amp at 250 volt AC, and then we got 3 of these. Oh, sorry, no, it's the other way around. We got 3 of the 30 amp ones, and we got 5 16 amp ones. Very good. And then we got these, which are 12 amp rated at 125 VAC. So these are only rated up to about half of these. There we go. But I won't be dealing with that much power anyway. So I'll find a box for these. I'll be back. All right, well, I found this, but I'm not sure if it's going to be big enough. Maybe I'll need 2 of them. See if I can find another one. All right, I did find another one. So let's take these out. This there we go. All right, now I'm going to label them AC power switch. So let's print some labels. All right, so that's labeling is done. We've got AC switch and AC switch. I'll go and put these in the thing. I'll be back. All right, now there's just a couple more things to do. See what we've got here. What is this? I'm not sure. Haha, I see. All right. So these are great big honking emergency off power buttons. I thought they looked cool, which is why I got them. So looks like I got 5-pack. Very good. So you see these kind of switches in workshops and labs and stuff on the wall, so someone can press the emergency power off button if something terrible is happening. So shall I pop one out of the bag? I suppose I might as well. What does it say? Emergency stop. Great. And the thing itself, what does that look like? Okay, it's all wrapped up there. Okay, so there you go. Oh, I see. You turn it. I'm not sure how it works. Anyway, we'll file those. Hang on a sec. I'll find somewhere to keep them. All right. Well, I found this, but I'm not sure if it's going to be big enough. Going to be big enough? Not really. I'm going to use something else. No. Let's just time lapse it together. All right, it fits. So what I'm going to do is print off a couple of labels. So I'll do that quickly. So what I did was I took these meters out, and I've created a spare box. This is my digital meter box. And then these are the emergency stop buttons, which went into the old digital meters box. So I just switcherooed them. So I'll go put these away. All right, we've just got one more package. And then we're done. So let's see what's arrived. here. More digital switches. AC switches, I should say. So let's pop these out of their bag. All right, let me go and find a container for these. All right, well, I found another one of these. So hopefully these will all fit in here. And we're going to need an AC switch label. Let's do. All right, well, I got my AC switch box labeled. I'll go put those away. All right, so that was the entire haul. That's everything. I'll just cut this out of its bag. We'll time lapse the scrapbooking. I'll scrapbook these extra labels here. And then I'll throw over the farewell can. We'll wrap up. So let's just do the scrapbooking together quickly. All right, so that's the scrapbooking done. I'll file that, and then we'll wrap over. We'll pop over to the farewell cam, and we'll wrap up. And that's a wrap. So, a few things in the mail today. Just a couple of things. Mostly for my clock radio project, which I've now got the bits and pieces I need so I can make the power supply, which is really good. Looking forward to getting on with that. It's traditional at the end of the video for me to tell you what I was most excited about and least excited about that's arrived in the mail. I suppose the least exciting things were those right angle power adapters, these things. You know, the power goes in there and then it comes out the other way. Fair enough, but they're the kind of thing they're good to have if you need them, but they don't matter if you don't. So they were the least exciting thing. The most exciting thing today, of course, was my box full of boxes. I got a box full of Project Labs. These are great. Got three types, 4 lots of each, 4 lots of 3. So looking forward to sticking projects in those over the years to come. And somewhere in the middle today was those AC power switches. Those were good to have. And the emergency stop buttons. I don't know if I'll install one somewhere. We'll see. Anyway, I got them because they looked like fun. So that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching. And please remember to hit like and subscribe.